It's Monday morning, but instead of talking about equities, where we're at, the New York Stock Exchange, we're going to talk about treasuries, and that's because yields look like they could surpass 2%. That's the first time since April of last year. I'm here with Mark Newton. He's the chief technician over at Gray Wolf Equities. So what is the significance of this move on the treasury?
Well, it's just a very psychological level I think a lot of people are looking at. I mean, yields have been below 2 really since spring of last year. So it is an important move, but my thinking is that it's not going to be sustainable. So I think the Treasury yields, in fact, probably get up to 207, 208, but then we probably stall out, and that likely coincides with the overall stock market peaking out, at least short term. The market's been up 5% in the month of January. It's been a great move, but we're starting to see signs of a lot of sectors stalling out. Financials, energy, technology, which has been under substantial pressure, is the best sector this morning, and probably is a better risk reward than some of these other sectors, which are pretty stretched.
One would think that maybe we were expecting the bond bubble to burst and that this could be a sign of that. So it sounds like you're not convinced on that.
I think it's still sort of premature to think that a real meaningful peak is in yet for treasuries. And I think that when you start to see a flight to quality, obviously, but if equities start to sell off, which I think very well can happen over the next month or so, then you'll see people come back to treasuries, I think. So in the long run, it doesn't make a lot of sense with rates down this low, but from a short-term trading perspective, that probably is one of the better safe havens at this point. So.
All right, well, there you heard it. We are seeing these yields start to bump up, but Mark doesn't think that that's going to last for very much longer. That's Mark Newton from Gray Wolf Equities, and I'm Deborah Borchardt with The Street.